Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to improve email deliverability in Brevo. Now this is just one of the most important things for keeping your emails out of spam folders and making sure that your audience actually sees what you send. So let's walk through the exact tools inside of your Brevo account to help with deliverability. But before we start, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and the business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we put in the description below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your Brevo account, go to the top right side. From there, click on Settings. Now, within the setting, you will see a section called Deliverability Center. This is the main place in Brevo that gives you an overview of how healthy your email sending reputation is. Inside the Deliverability Center, you will see your deliverability score right at the top. In my account, it shows a score with a label like good, needs attention, or excellent. Now, this number tells you how mailbox providers like Gmail or Outlook view your emails. Below the score, Brevo shows the important metrics that affect inbox placement. These include your open rate, click rate, bounce rate, negative engagement rather, and your domain authentication score. If any of these are low or red, it means that you need to improve in that area. There's also a section called How to Improve Your Deliverability, where Brevo suggests what to fix, so this really is a helpful guide. Now let's look at the most important technical step, domain authentication. Go back to Settings and open Senders, Domains, IPs, and then switch to the Domains tab. Here you will see your sending domain and a label showing if it is authenticated or not. Authentication is what tells Gmail and Outlook that you are a trusted sender. It helps your emails avoid spam filters, basically. Next to each domain, you will see an Authenticate button. When you click it, Brevo gives you SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. Now, this is what you'll need to add to your DNS. Once these records are added correctly, the red indicator will turn green, and your authentication score and the Deliverability Center will improve. Now, this is just one step alone, but it has a very big impact on deliverability. Next, open the Sending Cadence tab inside the Senders, Domains, IPs section. Now, this area controls how fast Brevo sends your emails. If you send a large number of emails in a very short period of time, it can hurt deliverability. With Sending Cadence, Brevo spreads the sending over a safer time window. This keeps your reputation stable and avoids sudden spikes. You should also check your campaign reports regularly. Look at your open rates, click rates, and your bounce rates. If these drop, it means that you need to improve your subject lines or clean your list. Removing inactive contacts is a simple way to boost engagement and protect your sender reputation. So, to recap, check your Deliverability Center, authenticate your domain, manage your sending cadence, and monitor your campaigns. These very simple steps will help you maintain a strong inbox performance. Now, if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use the link we put in the description below. You get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and it also unlocks a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform step by step. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.